The Department of Education has launched Project Ligtas, an AI-enabled platform designed to help schools anticipate natural hazards and prepare for possible disruptions to classes. Crystal Ramizares has the details.
When hazards strike, learning is interrupted. The Department of Education emphasized this cycle with the continuous class suspensions due to heavy rainfall. Hence, DepEd has launched its AI-enabled platform called Project Ligtas for schools to anticipate disasters and plan ahead.
Kunting ulan lang binaba, the launching of Ligtas would definitely increase our awareness, especially our stakeholders, para mas alam namin yung gagawin para sa kaligtasan.
Over 47,000 schools nationwide can be detected through the platform's live hazard map using satellite imagery. This all-in-one platform also allows communities to access their hazard exposure to heat stress, flood, earthquake impact, and volcanic activity in real time. The built-in AI weather forecast can also be referenced by schools for earlier announcements of suspensions.
Lahat ng local governments, pwede nilang antabayanan yung datos dito kung nakikita nila yung predicted rainfall is a certain amount. Gabi pa lang, bago mag 10 o'clock, pwede na silang mag-cancel ng eskwela. If we can do it even earlier, yung mga learning materials natin, ibibigay na po natin.
So that more database decision we can come up with. So pwede pong gamitin ito kasi granular po yung data, school level talaga.
During calamities, it also provides situational reports of affected school areas nationwide, which can give a clear visual for rescuers. DepEd's Ligtas platform can now be accessed through mobile, tablet, and PC devices. Crystal Ramizares, IBC News.